Thanks for calling CRA. How may I help you?
Hi there. I've got a message from you guys.
So may I know who I'm speaking with? What is your name? What is your first name and last name? So I that search in my record.
All right, it's Bill, B-I-L-L, Loney.
It's your first name.
That's my first name. Yeah, and my last name is Loney, L-O-N-E-Y.
L-O-N-E-Y. Bill Loney, right?
Yes. Yeah, Bill Loney.
Okay, Mr. Bill. You just been hold. Let me search your file first, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for holding the line, Bill Loney. Are you there?
Loney. It's pronounced Loney.
Yes, Bill Loney. Yes,
Yes.
Bill Loney.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, my name is Officer Adam Jones from the Tax and Crime Investigation Unit in Canada Revenue Agency. And now the reason of this call was to inform you that you are being listed as the primary suspect in a case being filed by CRA. I have received a legal affidavit against your name which say that there is an outstanding tax liability under your name and you also tried to commit a fraud with CRA. So I need help to your lawyer name and number who would be able to represent you inside the courthouse.
I don't have one. Should I be getting one? I don't have a lawyer. Should I be getting a lawyer?
You don't have a lawyer, right?
No, I don't.
Okay. So let me relay all the information from the affidavit, but before I proceed, I would like to notify you the line on which we are talking right now are recorded. I would appreciate if you do not interrupt me in between while I'm reading this affidavit. I will answer all your questions regarding this affidavit once I finish, okay?
Okay, sorry, I just want to make sure I got your name right. It's Officer Adam Jones?
Yes.
Okay.
The CRA, after undertaking a statutory audit of your tax filing between 2013 to 2016, has consulted that tax worth $7,879 has been underpaid by you. The CRA has discovered strong evidence that this was not a result of innocent negligence. Rather, we have reason to believe that it was a willful act done with the intent to defraud the CRA. The CRA is not claiming that you are not paying your tax. CRA know that you are paying your tax on a regular basis, but when they have done an auditing on your tax return, they find out that you have failed to declare your actual income, which was higher than what is mentioned in the return. You had wrongly benefited from deduction for which you were not eligible, and every year you paid the less taxes than you were supposed to. So CRA has decided to press 4 criminal allegations against you. Count 1. Violation of federal tax regulation. Count 2. Violation of Income Tax Act. Count 3. Theft by deception. And count 4. Willful misrepresentation of information to a government organization. The CRA has decided to forcefully recover this amount by invoking Canadian Revenue Code 6331H against you. Now, what this means for you? The CRA will make a lien on your assets, including your house and car if you own any. All your no bank account could be frozen and confiscated, which means the CRA will recover your tax debt for the balance available into your bank account. You would not be able to access your bank account till the time it is frozen. Your social insurance number would be blacklisted, which means that you would not be eligible for any government benefit in the future. The credit reporting against would be notified about your tax fraud. They are most likely to downgrade your credit rating. All your WACs and benefits would be frozen by informing your employer and government bodies. If you have any exiting payment plan with the CRA, then it would not terminate under Section 30A of IR Code. Your passport will be seized, and if you belong to a country other than Canada, then you run the risk to being deported back to your company. CRA will get a non-bailable arrest warrant against you for next 90 days. Do you have any question before we proceed with any legal step against your name?
I don't understand. What do you mean? I underreported. I gave everything to the accountant and he filed my taxes.
Okay, your accountant filling your taxes, right?
Yes.
At this time, now when the CRA debt has done an auditing of your tax filing, we just find it out that the person who is filing your taxes has submitted a wrong information to a CRA on an instance basis. They have failed to declare your actual income, which was higher than assist was mentioned in the returns. They have wrongly benefited for the deduction for which you are not eligible. And as this thing was done repeatedly from your end, we thought that you might be doing this thing instantly and you might be trying to defraud the government on an instance basis. So the CRA has declared your defaulter. Now we are not be instance in talking the money for your ass. We have decided to take this matter legally inside the courthouse and sure you have more than $50,000 to $60,000 to pay there. Okay?
I don't understand.
What are you saying? I also don't understand.
Did you just say I owe 50 to 60,000?
You are not paying your taxes 2012 to 2016. You know that 2013 to 2016, whatever amount you paid is not correct amount. Okay, you are paying incorrect amount. That's why CRA is filing a lawsuit against you. And now at this time your matter and your arrest warrant has been issued against your name. Okay, and next 40 to 45 minutes, police has been come at your doorstep and arrest you. Okay, and next 90 days, then you take this matter legally inside the courthouse and sure you pay the $50,000 to $60,000 in the courthouse. Okay. At this point, the CRA. Hello.
Oh.
Yes.
Sorry.
What happened?
I just got lightheaded.
Okay. At this point of the time, the CRA already submitted your case paper to the local authorities of your state. We are not about to take the final step only after executing all your